The 24-core SAT24S optical terminal box performs in accordance with the industry standard requirements of EID T21502010. It is mainly used in the FTX access system terminal range. The box is made of high-strength PC, ABS plastic alloy injection molding, which provides good sealing and aging resistance. In addition, it can be hung on the wall outdoors or indoors for installation and use. The SAT16 optical terminal box has an inner design with a single layer structure, divided into the distribution line area, outdoor cable insertion, fiber splicing tray, and FTTH drop optical cable storage. The fiber optical lines are very clear, making it convenient to operate and maintain. There are 7 cable holes under the box that can accommodate 2 outdoor optical cables for direct or different junctions, and it can also accommodate 5 FTTH drop optical cables for end connections. The fiber splicing tray uses a flip form and can be configured with 140 for course capacity specifications to accommodate the box's expansion needs.